Hey, what's up, Shiba holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Friends, once again, I'm present with the latest update of Shiba. Congratulations, once again, congratulations. The huge bump of the Shiba are starts now, so congrats, many, my friends. Anyways, before seeing the mortgages, I request everyone, if you listen my voice, so please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Please subscribe now. Hope you all subscribe my channel. Let's start the video, friends, and let's move on. My friends, if you look the latest price update of the Shiba, so 0.00009 USD dollar is the latest update of the Shiba. On the other side, if you look the price change so in the Shiba, so the last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day pricing is positive, last 1 week pricing is positive. The whole change occur in the Shiba is going positive. That's why I'm feeling very satisfied to holding 2.5 billion Shiba token, my friends. I'm very happy. Personally, I'm very happy today to see this kind of positive trends occur in the Shiba token. Anyways, let's see the price chart. What's going on this time in the Shiba, my friends? You can see absolutely a good jump occur in the Shiba. You can see here that is the last 3 days price chart of the Shiba. The first day fast down, and after first day, second day, take a jump again, take a jump, my friends. So in the previous last 2 days they take a jump, so that's clear that the Shiba token start moving upward. The price of Shiba start jumping from the previous last 2 days, my friends. It is just a beginning. The huge pump of Shiba are again starting, and now you're ready for the moon. Shiba holders, we are going to the moon. Be ready and be active in the market. And now it's time to go for the moon, my friends. And the start of every month, Shiba token going to moon, my friends. And now it is the start of new month. It is the start of June. So absolutely, they will take a huge pump. Wait for it and don't decide to sell, my friends. Never think about that. That is the low price cryptocurrencies, and never think about when they reach to 1 USD dollar, when they reach to 1.5, when they reach to 0.1 USD dollar. So now and this time you will easily sell Shiba token and you will get a profit. But now currently that's madness if you decide to sell. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Shiba? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.